sending smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody.
Greetings across the world.
Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody.
Greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
My name is Mervyn Harris. I'm sending greetings from Bronx, New York. I would like to send greetings to my brother, Buddha, Ted, Kelvin Harris, to my brother-in-law, Tati, to Brenda, to Amar, to Jeffrey, to all the Eurotrain crew in Jamaica. Those are affected by the storm. I would wish you all the best in Jesus' name. Especially to my sister, Udell Harris, and her grandchildren, all the best. Merry Christmas, Jamaica, from Bronx, New York.
Hello, my beautiful family. I'm Marie, affectionately called Nurse from Jamaica, presently in Birmingham. Wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. To all my fellow nurses there in Jamaica, I know what you're going through. Just keep strong. God bless. To my mom, Clarice Coward, my sister Denisha, my brother Ruel Johnson, my cousins, my aunt, Auntie Monica, Auntie Mel, Lola, Louie, everyone, Auntie Monica, Auntie Inez, Brianna, Brittany. Love you all. Melrose, George, everyone. Keep the faith, God is able, fret not. To my bishop, my beautiful church, Oak Temple Pentecostal Church of God in Granville Road. Love you all. Hi everyone, missing you loads. Guys, I can understand the frustration, the hardship, what you're going through. There's not enough nurses to do the work. You'll be working longer hours, more than 24 hours, nobody to relieve you, nothing to work with. But just keep the faith. We are here supporting you in whatever way that we can. If we have to come over to help to do some of the shifts, that should be fine. I know the NAJ will help to facilitate us to come out to help you guys. If it's stuff that you need, I'm sure a lot of the hospitals are putting things together to help my fellow colleagues out there. Just hold on, we can do it out of many one people. Love you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all in Jamaica. Stay safe. Love you.
My name is Sophia Morris. I'm in London, Brixton, sending greetings to my mother, Judy Clark in Portland, my aunts, my brothers, my cousins, my friends. Merry Christmas. I should be there this year to spend Christmas with you, but next year I will be there. It's sad to hear that Jamaica have that terrible storms, but my heart goes out for you. We are in England. Prayers go out, and in God's will, everything will be good for you guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
Big up, we are sending greetings out to everybody. And love alone, we are sending it out digitally. To friends and to we family, and the real ones we halfway. In them hard thoughts, so we far apart. Chants, greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
Let's stay connected this holiday season with Greetings Across the World. Brought to you by JN Money and JN Bank.